When you think of plastic, you might think of Legos or your food containers. Plastic is everywhere, has become a massive ecological issue because when plastic articles are no longer needed, they are either buried, burned, or left to rot. However, plastic is lighter, easier to shape than any other material, and so versatile, it has become impossible to do without. Just like when you make a cake, depending on the ingredients you choose to bake your plastic, you can either obtain a very hard or a soft one. Hence, plastic can be used to make things as diverse as grocery bags or bulletproof vests. So, why not use plastic waste to make plastic? The goal of my thesis is to discover how we can better give a second life to plastic waste through recycling. And I'm focusing on one type of plastic called ABS, a plastic which is reinforced with little particles of rubber, giving it a structure similar to a chocolate bar with dried resins. ABS is often used in industry because it absorbs a lot of energy instead of breaking thanks to the rubber inside. However, ABS suffers from the consequences of photooxidation. Photooxidation is a reaction caused by the sun UVs between the oxygen in the air and the plastic. And this renders ABS unusable through recycling, as it has lost its capacity to absorb enough energy before breaking. So, how could we use plastic waste to make new ABS? To find out, I reproduced the photooxidation degradation process by exposing my material to artificial UVs. Next, I've analyzed the molecular changes of both the plastic and the rubber inside to detect the phenomena causing my ABS to disintegrate. This allowed me to adapt my ABS recipe. Maybe we would have to add more resins, or instead of resins, use red cranberries. And this recipe will give a second life to plastic waste produced since the 50s. Let's clean the earth before we leave it, because as the old saying goes, you do not inherit the earth from your ancestors, you borrow it from your children.